Okay, ready for Picos. Let's explain these Lone Rider bags. This is the star of the show. I'll show you why. Under here, this is a beaver tail. This has little molly hooks to add on another molly bag. But under here it's got a little secret map reading pack, if you still use maps, but a lot of us do. But this little bit is where your hydration pack goes. Basically unzip that, slide it in and pop it back on and strap it down. No hoses flapping everywhere. When you want it, you can get to it. This is a little dream bag. This is totally waterproof, and when you get to ferry, basically as simple as this. It's on there now. Clip, 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 clip. She's off. Done. Easy as you like to put it back on. That's if you're going on a ferry, of course, or you're going in a shop, or you're going into have your lunch, and all your main valuables are in there. You know, they average crap, toolboxes, stuff can be put in here. These are even better. Totally waterproof. Again, another little party trick up their sleeve is this. Get to your hotel, want this stuff in, lift it out. Totally waterproof bag inside. That is the waterproof section. This is waterproof, but if it does leak, it's got drain holes at the bottom, so everything just goes straight through. It's your double layer waterproofing. Back on your bike in the morning, come back out. Have a little fight with it. 1, 2, fold, fold. Put the clip in there. Done. How long did that take? Not long at all. And if you come off your bike and get your leg trapped under there or under here, you're not going to break your leg. Well, you might break your leg, but you may not break your leg because it's not an aluminium case, which is definitely going to break your leg. These are semi-rigid. They'll take a bashing. They'll protect your bike. They'll do everything. And carry your stuff. So, more than a one-trick pony. They are multi-trick ponies. So yeah, it could even save your bike while it's on its side for any old reason. So that's that one, 32 litre, 28 litre on this side. So that's my setup this year. That I'm going to stay with. Thank you very much, Lone Rider, for sending these my way. I absolutely adore them. We put them on the frames that came with them. On the new GS is 1300. The only sacrificial lamb next year might be this one for a motor case. Everybody, go and have a look at Lone Rider, look at the motor case. That is a bag worth having, a case worth having. Absolutely superb. Brilliant molly frame on the outside to attach things like your water bladder pack, your beaver tail, whatever you want. Your side bags will all attach, your tripod, your whatever you want will fit on there. Inside is once again the legendary red inner. Looks like someone's shining a torch on it, but they're not. So when you open it up, you can see everything. And someone is shining a torch on it because the case has a rechargeable light. Yeah, a rechargeable light. Bloody ingenious. And it comes with a rack to fit the new GS and other bikes, and the 1250 and lots of other bikes. So that I am excited about. So next year this could be going. Check out the new motor case, Lone Rider. Thanks again, Lone Rider. I love these bags. I really genuinely do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Clickety click. Thanks, like, all that rubbish. Thanks, guys.